let's talk about storage containers. And we're gonna compare this one to that one so that you can decide which one is best for you. So first product is actually going to be this Pyrex storage container. This one here is a 3-cup storage container. And as you can see, it does have this rubber lid that fits all the way around it, and it's perfect for when you're needing to go ahead and store your leftovers. This particular container is actually perfect for microwave as well as oven. Now, product number 2 is going to be this Ello storage container. As you can see, there is a silicone little rubber base all the way around it, and so when you're setting it down, it's not going to break or chip your countertops as compared to the Pyrex, which is glass on your actual hitting onto your surface. This does have a snap close feature, and it has a rubber edging all the way around it to be able to seal whatever it is that you have inside of your container. This one here, you can actually go ahead and put it into your dishwasher. It is microwavable and oven safe, but you cannot use it with the lid. Same thing goes for the Pyrex. Both of them have great purposes and great uses. I really like the fact that these have a silicone base. It just kind of gives me peace of mind when I'm setting something down that I'm not putting glass directly onto my surface. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope the overview of these 2 products will help you decide which one is best for you. Y'all have a great day.